Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to the online session with the same topic, usage glossary, page 223, unit 11 from your grammar and language workbook. Today we will talk about some words which are confusing. The first pair of those words, in and into. In means inside and into indicates in action towards the inside. I repeat, in means inside and into indicates in action towards the inside. Example: bear live in a den, so it's inside. He chased the calves into the barn, so calves is the plural of calf and calves, so chase means follow. He chased the calves into the barn, it means the action. Here indicates action towards the inside. The second pair of words we have its and its. So in the first its no comma, and in the second its we have comma is. The first one without comma, its is the possessive form of it, and with comma its is the contraction of it is. It is, so its. Examples: the cat licked its fur, so this is the possessive form. Its fur, since it is animal, it used this one possessive form. The cat licked its fur, it means her fur, if we consider it a female, a feminine. So cat licked its fur. The second example, it's time to watch the news, so it is time, contraction, it's time to watch the news. The next pair of these words we have lay and lie. Lay means to put or to place. Again, lay means L-A-Y. Lay means to put or to place, while lie, L-I-E, means to recline or to be positioned. To recline means to take support of something, reclining on a pillow, lying towards the wall, so lying toward. So look at the example: lay the tomatoes in the sun to ripen. To place, it means to put the tomatoes, L-A-Y. And my dog likes to lie in the sun, so my dog likes to lie, it means to recline in the sun or to take position in the sun, to lie in the sun. Now this lie is a verb, while the other lie is a noun. He tells a lie, so don't confuse with that one. When this lie, when it's used as a verb, so it means to recline or to be positioned. But if that lie, don't confuse with that noun lie, because it will always, you would find tell, told, speak, spoke, utter. So you would find before that lie another verb, while this is in itself is a verb. The next pair of words we have learn and teach, and I hope it's easier. Example: learn means to receive knowledge and teach means to give knowledge. So learn is the receiver of the knowledge to receive knowledge. Learner is the receiver of the knowledge. And teach, to give knowledge, and teacher the giver of knowledge. Example: Tricia learns about astronomy, and Mr. Bonella teaches English to foreign students. Exercise 1. Underline the word in parentheses that best completes each sentence. The first example has been given in your book on page 223. Don't lie on the grass in your good clothes. So that means reclining. Now sentence 1. Can you teach me how to program the VCR? 2. I will lay newspaper on the floor before I paint. Lay mean to put. 3. Rex is in his doghouse. Sentence 4. The squirrel is burying many of its nuts. Since just like on the same pattern like a cat, squirrel is an animal. It's, so this is a possessive form of it, nuts. Sentence 5. Does your town lie north or south of the river? So lie mean position. Sentence 6. I hope it's not too late for supper. I hope it is not. So contraction it's. Sentence 7. Rico has difficulty getting into the car because of the cast on her leg. Now here the action is being taken place into inside. So that's why it's being used into. Rico has difficulty getting into the car because of the cast on her leg. Like a wound or something like that on her leg. So difficulty, Rico has difficulty. Sentence 8. Frank hopes to learn Spanish before he visits Mexico. Sentence 9. The builder lays down a foundation of concrete blocks. Lays down, so puts down. Sentence 10. If there is not enough helium in the balloon, it will sink inside the balloon. Sentence 11. Diego hopes to teach his brother to swim. Sentence 12. It's hard to watch the game from the top rows of stadium. So it is contraction. And sentence 13. The valley lies between two mountain ranges. Position. Homework. Dear student, please complete the following page as your homework, which is related to the same topic, page 224. Thank you very much and have a nice day.